Hey everybody, Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Conscious of Economics and Urban Farm Project. And we're in my healing so that I can get one of the herbal variety, a lot of shamanism. But my smudge is school. We're going to be giving a giveaway. And then also I had a little order for people. But they turned out just unbelievably gorgeous this year. And this is pretty cool. At every turn this summer, hawk and ravens were dropping feathers everywhere that I went. So hawk and raven, my drum is, I call it the raven drum, raven medicine drum, because raven is always circling above me and kind of is in my, seventh direction spirit animal. So she's always leading me in the right direction, when I get lost. So she would be involved in herbal medicine. No, here. No, over here. Oh, here, drop of feathers going right direction. Anyway, so I just wanted to showcase. So in the past, I've, every year, this time of year, I make smudge wands out of sagebrush because they have these beautiful, flowers on them. Not really what normal people would call flowers, but for me, it's a flowering. And this time of year is the good smell time. So, oops, sorry. So it makes for really good smudge wands. And my teachers have always taught me to use the medicines that are available and get to know the medicines, that are available. So I use sagebrush because that's what I have available in my area. And in the past, when trees have needed healing, for example, I had some redwood type variety of trees in the area that were not doing very good about 5 years ago. And so they asked me to collect some of their, leafage and, put it into smudge wands and take it to different places and ceremonies and use it. And that's when I first discovered that I don't really need to put my prayers into the smudge or other things, that the plants already have their prayers. They already have way more information and knowledge than I do about the environment, what's happening. And so by putting them into smudge wands, they get to actually be burned, and then their prayers go to the Creator. So my job is just to facilitate their prayers getting where their prayers need to go. So anyway, I just had, and I've also done cedar, and I have been with some really traditional type native people. I've gotten a lot of flack from, but that's okay. I have other native teachers that tell me that, my job is to listen and be a student and steward of the earth, and what the medicines ask me to do, then I should do them. So that's kind of like right here too. So I have tons of beautiful smudge wands. Few of them will go with me into the next year, so that I have stuff to use until I collect again coming up. And so I just kind of wanted to show you like how beautiful and gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that, but I've got some mullein leaf here. These ones are just starting to dry. A mullein top. I came across these huge mullein plants that have 6 or 7, 8 tops on them. And they were really happy. All the plants were super happy that they were like, no, take some of me. No, take some of me. I want to go. Let me go. So I had lots of plants flagging me down. And then also I've got a little bit of mugwort in them. And so, so I put a little mugwort, like you can see the mugwort right in here on these guys. These guys are a little more dried. I had to go to 4 different areas to get enough plant material. So whatever was most available in those areas, the smudge wands got. Some sage, mugwort. A few of them got a couple little lavender spears in them. Some got mullein tops. Some just got mullein leaf. And then these are my special ones that I was thinking about this year. So these are like I don't know if you can see them. These are a sagebrush wrapped in mullein leaf that I'm drying. And I was thinking, not only are they going to be super great to clear energy, but also, both of these plants are really good with respiratory stuff. So cleaning of energy, dealing with, disinfecting and respiratory. I mean, there's no better plant than mullein for anything respiratory, including asthma. It's good. Go out. Make sure you wash them, though, because of the chemtrails, but collect the leaves and then give them a little gentle wash in case they have any heavy metals on them. Obviously, you don't want to be smoking that in. And then let them dry, and then you can break it apart and put it in a pipe and smoke it. So that can help with amazing things. So I made 4 little special bundles for myself this year. So kind of branching out. So I've been doing smudge wands now every year for, I don't know, a long time. Since a friend of mine who is white, but she works some of the Lakota way and also Paiute. And she's a pipe carrier. So I started listening to her. It's when she started giving me some of the feathers that I have today. And so I would say like 20 years now. Every season I collect the smudge. But anyway, I'm super excited to give it away this year. I have some new friends that I'm going to be stopping, and they get to take their pick of the litter. And then the rest of it will be headed on to the giveaway at school. And just really excited this year. It was really fun to, be blessed by other plants and have them want to be part of my smudge wands. All right, everybody, that's it. I'll give you like a close-up of the beautifulness in there. It's so gorgeous. Bridget Lynn Dolgoff, Conscious of Economics and Urban Farm Project, signing out. Bye.